Hello everyone, I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing of the new Portrait Assortment 20 Luminance pencils from Caran. Really excited about these. They've recently come onto the market, and so I thought I'd just do a quick review of all the new colours and to see how I would use them in my pet portraits. It says kind of portrait assortment, which infers, I suppose, skin tones and things like that, but actually I think some of the colours on here are going to be fantastic for pet portraits and fur. So I'm just going to open and see. Oh, look at that, so exciting. So you've got your little information sheet here, and then the beautiful range of colours. Just fantastic. You can see why it's called the portrait set, with all of these kind of lovely pinky tones, and this one really catches my eye because it's such a nice neutral colour. This is the Rouge Herculaneum. I've noticed with Caran they've actually written the colours now, or they've printed the colours now in white, which is so much easier to read. They used to be silver and they'd catch the light and you wouldn't be able to see them. So that one's fantastic. Dark Flesh, 40%. That's going to be another great one. And what's this one? Carmine Lake. And all of these lovely blending. I really like the light colours so that you can blend nicely. Light Flesh, 10%. Fantastic. And what's this one? Pink White. That's going to be really, really interesting. So I've got a little bit of scrap paper here. I'm going to move these to the side and just kind of see how they lay down. Very, very subtle colour here, so I'm just going to do a quick swatch. I don't know if you can see, very, very subtle colour there. So that's one's going to be great for little touches in the highlights and blending. That is looking really good. What about this one? This is the Light Flesh, 10%. Look at that. They're so pigmented. Look at that. Lovely. Fantastic. Another one that's really caught my eye are these pinky tones and purples. So this is the hibiscus pink. Lovely note. Oh, look at that. Look how pigmented that is. That's going to be fantastic for things like shadows and that kind of thing. What's this one? Violet pink. See, all of these colours are going to be really, really helpful. Beautiful. Herculaneum red. Yeah. So you can see this is, you can see why this is the portrait collection. Terracotta in the Luminance. Nice. What's this one? This is the Dark Flesh. So that's going to be a really lovely earthy brown for fur in pet portraits. Carmine Lake. Again, a really nice red, dark earthy cut tone. Dark indigo. Oh wow, look at the colour of that one. That's going to be so helpful for dark fur. What a lovely colour that is. Look how pigmented that is. Amazing. Now blues, I've always had a little bit of difficulty with the blues. Just finding the right one, and I've just done a collar on a boxer dog, and these would have been really helpful. Ooh, yeah, look at that. What a lovely blue. Bleu de Nîmes. I'll do it next to the blue. Oh wow, so that's like a purpley blue. That's beautiful. What a beautiful colour. Ultramarine. Aha, this would have been perfect colour for that collar. It's not too green, it's not too red, it's just that perfect mid blue. What a beautiful colour. Ooh, okay, like a Beautiful turquoise. Middle verdigris. Oh wow, so it's like a grey green. Beautiful. That's going to be great because the greens again are a difficult one to get, that really natural looking green that's not too blue or red. Chromium oxide green. Oh gosh, look at that. What a lovely natural green. Amazing. I haven't even started on the yellows. Indian yellow. Oh, just look how pigmented, and I'm pressing really lightly and hardly touching the paper. Medium cadmium yellow, so this is going to be a fantastic one. Look at that brightness. I'm already thinking about what I can draw. Dark cadmium orange. Gosh, these are stunning. Anthraquinone carmine. Lovely red, pinky red. Have I done that one? Quinacridone purple. Oh gosh, beautiful. So, first impressions, amazing. Can't wait to try them. I've got a study coming up of a pool, which is all the kind of earthy browns and creams and that kind of thing. So these are going to be fantastic for that. So just can't wait to try them. Amazing.